Here's a list of 20 independent adjusting firms hiring for hurricane season and Milton. Here we go. The best claim solutions: QA Claims, Ebro Claims Services, Royal Adjusting, Alacrity, AllCat, CNC Catastrophe and National Claims, Evolve Claim Solutions, Pilot Catastrophe, EA Renfro, Crawford & Company, Pace Setters, Sedgwick, Davies, Lozano, Custard Insurance Adjusters, Compass Adjusting Services, Wardlaw Claims, Insurance Placement Solutions, Rise Claim Solutions, and many, many more. They are all calling, they're emailing, and they're texting for desk and field adjusters. Pick up the phone and call and get deployed today.